What is the worst notification you have received while someone else has had your phone? 1. My sister-in-law was staying with me for a week, which I wasn't stoked about. My sister knew about it and messaged me. How are you dealing with sister-in-law's name? Do you need to pretend to have a nap again, lol? Unfortunately, my sister-in-law was borrowing my tablet at the time and saw the notification pop up. She hasn't stayed with us since. 2. My boyfriend and I send each other shit randomly during the day, like FedEx me that pecker or flap them tits my way. I was showing my mom something on my phone once and he sends, "Gonna slap you with my cock tonight." 3. I was ordering food off of DoorDash on my ex's phone when she got a text from guy saying he couldn't wait to see her that weekend. She told me she was going to see her mom. 4. My friend texting me, "I'll eat your ass," while I was showing my mom a meme. Never swiped away a notification so fast.